In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat's map feature. So basically, you want to open up Snapchat first. Once you have opened up Snapchat, if you go to the maps, you will be able to see all sorts of things. For example, if something has this red dot, it just means that there are a lot of people there and that a lot of people have posted some type of story or whatever. You can click on it and then you can scroll and see people's stories. Now, if you want to add somebody from that story, if their profile is public, just click on their name and click add friend. Some other things you can do is click on places. You can discover places such as restaurants, cafes, and things like that. Also, like you can search for pretty much everything from parks, restaurants, cafes, and etc. And of course it tells you the temperature, where you currently are. Again, more people, you don't have to search for parks. Let's say we go here and then scroll up and you will see everything and most popular at the moment. And that's basically it. And of course, you click on friends. If your friends are somewhere in this location, you will be able to see them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.